The artwork, the lights, bells, whistles, and also under the bonnet, basically all the electronics is just really something that I'm into, so I enjoy it.
Lloyd Bendall is a cabinet maker by day.
The pinball parlours were full when I was a kid, and us kids have all grown up now. So we're all sort of trying to relive our fun youth that we used to have, and along the way we're actually introducing it to a lot of younger generation that are getting into it.
It's really fun, and then just on normal days Dad will lock up a couple pinball machines and we'll play down here.
The Rockhampton man has about 50 pinball machines in his basement.
I've been collecting for about 25 years now. One turned into two in order to try to get one going, and then it sort of grew because I figured out how to fix them. Mum said to me to put my 20 cents in my pocket and keep it, and one day I'll be able to buy one of those machines. And I don't know if she knew that I was going to turn into this sort of monster with it, but...
He spends most weekday afternoons and weekends building and restoring the machines.
For me, it is just a hobby. It's a release. It's a different thing to work, what I do at work. And I love the tinkering with things and the perfection with trying to get things exactly right. So that's good with pinball.
Lloyd estimates his blast from the past basement is worth more than $100,000.
The machines these days are very, very sought after, and there's a huge amount of competition out there trying to get hold of them. I don't find a lot locally. I wished I could. I mean, anyone's got them out there, certainly give me a call. But basically, I find them in Brisbane, Melbourne, sometimes even overseas. I've been lucky enough to buy a lot of some of the old school parts back in the day, but getting the new parts, they come out of America, and there's a lot of different places. Unfortunately, there's no one-stop shop. Can't say I've got a favourite. I've got favourites because each era of pinball machine lends something else to the gameplay. One of my most favourite machines is 2001. Bit of imagery there of what they thought in 1971 the world might be like in 2001. Us riding around on triangles and things like that, pretty far out. So, yeah,
he's building another machine from scratch.
I've started building Black Knight, and Black Knight's a machine that I did play a lot when I was a child, and I sort of wanted to get one for years, but it's been an elusive machine. It's quite sought after. Most people who know it want it. I've basically started building it from a playfield. So I've made the cabinet, I've ordered stencils from the States, I've got some rails made up for the sides, I'm building wiring looms, redoing all the electronic circuit boards.
He expects to spend about 6 months on the project.
They're made to be played. Obviously, the more you play them, the more they'll actually keep playing for you. And yeah, if you stop playing them, things rust up in them and seize up and stop working.
Lloyd is all about saving the machines from landfill, but he doesn't have much room left in his basement.
These days I sort of have to get rid of one if I want to keep one, which is really hard. But look, in the future I would like to do something with them, you know, like I would like to try to get a home where public can actually see it, play it, and there's a few ideas going through my head with that sort of thing. Pinball is something that's probably a little bit better than mucking around playing on iPads all the time and computers. If we can get out there, get some social interaction happening, obviously COVID-free social interaction, but it would make the world, I think, a better place.